So this is your yen analysis for Tuesday, 13th of February. Now let's have a look at the prices, where price might likely go. So we've seen this sell side momentum bring us down towards this 3202. What we actually see here on this chart is a potential for a inverted head and shoulders, which is a bullish chart pattern. So we've got our shoulder, potentially prices going upwards towards that 3450, beyond which we're looking for that 135 level. Now we do have some resistance, major resistance in around the 134. On this occasion here, acted as support, resistance. So we'll see if we can have that inverted head and shoulders play out up towards that 135, possibly up to 135.60 if we can successfully navigate the dynamic levels of the 200 and 400 period moving averages, which may act as dynamic resistance as we are approaching from underneath. But first, we'd have to successfully navigate the 134.50 before looking at the 135 level, where we do have the 200 and 400 period moving average, beyond which we're looking for the 135.60. Now, we are currently trading above the 133.45, so if we can maintain, use this level as a support, we'll see how we react around the 134, beyond which, again, we've mentioned levels to the upside. If, however, we do break down, below, say, the 133 level, we would somewhat invalidate this inverted head and shoulders, because our shoulder over here is at the 133 level. A breakdown from which we look to see how prices react around the 3283, and if we do break from 3283, we'll look around the 3202, the previous level that we've found support through. 3202 was it's a weekly pivot that we used from 2017. I didn't expect it to hold here in 2018, but it has held and has provided support. So we'll see how 3202 reacts, beyond which we're looking for 3170, and below that we're looking at 3060. And again, to the upside, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 3560, but if we did, 3638 does appear to be the level to the upside. So we do appear to be finding some support here. Overall, on the higher time frames, we are in a pretty strong uptrend on the euro yen. So further upside continuation would bring us in alignment with the higher time frame trend, although we do have to be aware that there is a possibility of prices breaking down. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.